This video will show you how to install the Denali SoundBomb on an Indian Scout 2017, but I'm sure it will work for other models. Okay, so I'm installing the Denali SoundBomb, and the first thing we need to do is install this bracket they give you. And here in the bracket, there's a threaded hole in the frame. They give you the bolt, a little bumper, and the bracket. The horn will mount here. Current position of the horn is at the bottom of the engine, right in front of the oil filter. Has two wires. I'm going to attempt to disconnect the two wires from it and route them to the Denali SoundBomb. Okay, so I'm using thread lock on the bolt, 13mm wrench, and just installing the bolt bracket to the frame. So the SoundBomb is supposed to mount on this bolt, and on the back it has this little hanger. Underneath you can see the contacts, and one is negative and they're marked on it. As I'm looking at it, the one that you see on top is positive, the one you see on the bottom is negative. When this looks this way, positives to my left, negatives to my right. When installed, the SoundBomb should be no more than 25 degrees from vertical. Either way, the point of it is that the air horn's not supposed to be able to just trap a bunch of water inside, so you never want to install it upside down. And I'm adding a little angle to try to see if I can keep water out of it when I'm riding forward. I've taken the original horn connections and installed them into the Denali SoundBomb, and we've got the green and gray wire is our power connected to the positive terminal. We've got the black wire was our negative connected to the negative terminal. The Denali SoundBomb has the terminals marked right on it, plus and minus. Makes it pretty easy. Okay, so now the Denali SoundBomb is completely installed. I've got my wires connected, and we're ready for a test. Loud enough for cars to move out of your way, and definitely louder than the stock horn. Definitely worth the install.